A simple sentence can save someone's life. In 1965, this young lady, she was rushing towards a very dangerous cliff. She was about to jump and end her life. But before she could do that, a soft voice interrupted her and said, "Excuse me, young lady, can I interest you for a cup of coffee, please?" She agreed. After 20 minutes of talk, she decided not to end her life. After that, this gentleman saved at least 200 lives just by asking one simple question: "Can I interest you for a cup of coffee, please?" Guys, at times, people around us, all they need is that simple expression that shows we love them, we care them, and we are available whenever they need. So, why don't you ask that simple question to people around you that shows that you love them?